Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Binary Heaven. In today's video guys, I am going to try another thing. This is actually very interesting. Okay, today's title is about I tried to make a AI chatbot. Okay, so let's begin. So basically guys, this video is basically is divided into three sectors. The sector number 1 is about my concept and my idea. The sector number 2 is about building the concept of AI model. And the concept number 3 is about testing that model. Okay, so I'm going to first in this video I'm going to take the help from the ChatGPT and the DeepSeek. These bots, these are the good AI models which we can use to do a lot of things. So first I'm going to ask him to make me a prompt for DeepSeek. Okay, so I'm going to come after making the prompt. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have finally tell the ChatGPT to make me a strong prompt, and he give me the prompt. Actually, I have to tell him one thing. So guys, we have did the final. We have did the first and the last thing which we are going to do. This is the first and last screening. It's not the last. It's the first step and the last step of my idea. Main thing to start and to start building the AI model. Okay, I have copied. I'm going to copy it. Okay, 5 times. This is the main thing. Now we are going to use the DeepSeek. Okay, and now I'm going to paste. Okay, paste the model. So not the model. I'm going to paste the prompt, and now guys, I have finally sent the code, the prompt, and now he has started to make a AI model on this. And as you can see, it will talk with us in a very simple, enjoyable way. So guys, if you want, if you are wondering that why am I doing this, so basically guys, I was wondering that I always saw the AI models and have communicated with them. As you can see, here's the history thing. I have communicated with these a lot, as you can see, and the chat is around 5 to 7 minutes or 3 minutes, way longer, much longer. Okay, so basically I have wondered that how do they work? What is the basic thing, the base of them, and the main process behind this internet process, which give us this which give us this ultimate AI models that can literally talk in basically in a very fluent human way. And I always wondered that, and now I am going, and I have thought to make my own by using them, the AI assistants. Okay, so basically I didn't told the ChatGPT to name it Milo, but ChatGPT did it by itself. Okay. So we are going to copy the code, and if you are in a computer user, you will use the VS Code, which I have already told in my previous video that we will use the VS Code in future. And if you want to use, you can use the VS Code for the Python. It is actually very stable. But you are if you are using a phone, mobile, or iOS, or you are using any tab, anything, you will use this. This is actually PyDroid 3. It's basically a Python application which you can run Python codes. Like if I type print, okay, and then if I do this, I can actually type hi. The output will be hi. As you can see here, the program finished by the thing by the command, or you can say the code I child. So when I do this, this is the code, basic code. Let's run it, and as you can see, we have a basic AI model. If you are seeing these gibberish characters, these unidentified characters, it's basically the characters which are used to give the color codes. And in this in the PyDroid, they are like in it, and it doesn't look good. But in that, if you do this in VS Code, you shouldn't get this. But after some if you do some improvements and tell the DeepSeek and ChatGPT to make another prompt for this, you can actually cover it. Okay, so let's start by asking him some questions. Okay, let's go. So the first question is about hey, you can type an essay. Type your answer below. You got this. Okay, he's asking me the answer for this question. If I do the wrong question, what will it say? a different question now. So guys, as you can see, it's a very beautiful looking AI with a very beautiful interface, as you can tell me. And Milo is our math bestie. So if I if I say to him 5 divided, the percentage for the percentage for 125. Okay? If I ask him this, what will I answer? I feel that, but let's get that brain working with some math. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so guys, I am going to tell him to plus 78. Okay, 78 with 99. Okay, let's go. So math skill equals character development. I think there are some problems in it, so I had to fix it. Okay, after fixing it, I will see the result. Okay, answer. Okay, we're not getting an answer. So if I do the new math, he's asking me the questions. Let me come after fixing it. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I have told ChatGPT to make me another code. Okay, so I'm going to first to make it all in one. Okay, so now I think it will be done easily. Yes, finally. Okay, I'm going to give this to the DeepSeek again, and the DeepSeek is going to make me the code. Okay, so let's go. We will. I'm going to give you the whole. I'm going to after the code is done. Okay, so let's meet after the code is done. Okay. So guys, I finally did the code. Not me, basically the DeepSeek AI. He did the code for me for the Milo AI assistant, and it's done. As you can see, here's the code. Guys, goddamn, too much long. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna paste it. What do you guys think, bro? I'm gonna actually paste it. We're going to do nothing else, okay? So guys, as you can see, the code is pasted. Now let's charge it. Okay, so if I tell him 1 minus 1 minus 2 equals, okay, so we have finally did a simple mathematical AI assistant. Let's go. I'm going to give him a very strong mathematical equation. Okay, 999 minus 444. Okay, it will be then multiplied by 33, and it will be then subtract. Okay, I want the sign for division. It's actually this slash divided by 5. So if I send him this, the answer you get what? Wait. No, man. Okay, here are some mistakes, but we have finally get the answer. Okay, if I did this, you got this. Math is very fun. Okay, so guys, we have finally did this video. Okay, in this video we have understand how the AI works. My main purpose was to teach you all about how AI is different and how AI can change the future in some years. Probably it could take 5 years, or it could take 10 years, or it could take 15 or more than that. But in the current situation, if I tell you, ChatGPT came out 3 years ago, and currently it is the most fluent speaking and coding, and in every it is good in every field, but not as much as what other is. Like if you see, the DeepSeek is good in coding too. The Claude Code is basically specific for coding. Some AIs are specific for something, but some are not. Like if I tell you AI is a thing, if you get interested in it, we are one of the most intelligent, not the most, but as I think so, we're one of the most intelligent, but we are a computer technical guys. Okay, there are actually many servers in this planet, and there are several servers right now. The AI servers also are taking place in underwater oceans. In underwater oceans, rivers, and some not rivers and oceans, mostly or seas, because the AI wants to get cool, and they get cool when they are underwater, but they also make the water hot, or you can say boil. Not boil, but hot. Because the AIs are using a lot of space, memories, and RAM. So guys, AI, the interest in AI is actually way much good, and if a person has a lot of interest in tech with AI, he is one of the most technical person you would ever find. Okay, so this is for today's video. Hope you guys love my video, and till then, take care. Bye bye.